Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm mixing few oils that can promote hair growth and keep our hair shiny. Now let's get started with this video. To make this oil mixture, I'm gonna need the castor oil, tea tree oil, virgin hair fertilizer, a little container, and a spoon. I'm gonna start with pouring some of my hair fertilizer inside my container. Next, I will add some castor oil. I never measure when I mix all the oils. I just put more of the one I would like to have more. And for today, I would like to have more of my tea tree oil. Tea tree oil fight against any bacteria, so any inflammation the scalp may have. So using tea tree oil on the scalp can promote healthy scalp, which can promote hair growth. And with the mixture of the hair fertilizer, this oil mixture can fertilize new hair growth. And this is how my beautiful oil mixture looks. I use this on my daughter's hair on this particular day. If you are subscribed to our channel and follow her hair journey, you will see that her hair grew a lot for all the DIY that I do on this channel. So please consider subscribing to this channel if you are not subscribed to this channel, so you can learn more about all the DIY that I do on this channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please consider pressing that like button and see you on our next video. Bye.